draw Bluey, and he's gonna be it's gonna be like an angry Bluey. So let's get started, okay? First thing I do here is I'm gonna draw a little bit of the top of Bluey's nose right here. So draw a line straight for the top of Bluey's snout. And by the way, this is for beginners. So if you're a beginner, perfect. Stick around. It's gonna be very, very short. So curve over here for the end of Bluey's nose, and then we're gonna pull down at an angle right there, really slowly. Right on. Gonna kind of curve underneath here again, like this soft curve, and I'm gonna pull back, not all the way, and I'm gonna go up a little bit, then down. You know, he's gonna have that kind of like Y. Right on. We're gonna go over here on this side, and I'm gonna pull down, kind of like that shape, almost like a T, to start out the eye. Right? His eye looks kind of like an egg, but since we're doing a little bit of a annoyed Bluey, a little bit of an angry Bluey, we're going to go over here and we're going to draw a line over here for the brow and curve along here down. Curve on this side right there for that egg shape of the eye, and over here I'm going to wrap the shape underneath. You're doing good so far. All right. I'm going to go over here on this side. I'm going to pull down for the far side eye. It's going to be in the far side. And I'm going to go over here, pull a little eyebrow. By the way, the eyebrow looks kind of like, I don't know, a Twinkie. That's what I think it looks like. Twinkie's my dog's name, by the way. I'm going to go right here, curve down. Well, my dog's, my sister's dog. All right, so now we have the far side eye and the eye on this side, okay? We're going to continue on, and then we're going to go over here. We're going to curve on this side and pull down, curve up. Right there for the nose. And if you like, go over here, put a little highlight at the end of it, and then fill in the rest. Go over here. Line right there, kind of like a curve for the eye. Right here for this, the inside eye. We're just going to fill that in as well. Nice. So far, so good. We're almost there. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you do like the video in general. Just definitely, bam. Righty. So let's keep going. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna draw the side of his body. So line over here, up, line across, over here, down. Over here on this side, gonna go downward. Keep going. His whole body's shaped like a cell phone. That's the way I think. Shaped like an iPhone. You know, he's got this kind of like square thing with a little bit of a curve around the edge. Go over here now. On across the bottom of the body. And around here, I'm gonna draw a curve line for the hand on his waist. Right there, like he's got his hand on his waist, his paw on his waist, so maybe something like that. And I'm just gonna draw this in to kind of finish that shape off. Let's go up to the top really quick, and we're gonna do the triangles for his ears. So very close to the edge right here, we're gonna pull a line straight up, curve just a bit, and then we're gonna slide down kind of toward the middle of his head. Okay. Cool, cool. Over here, straight up. Curve over here, slide over here. Okay, let's go to the far side, and we're going to go for his arm on the far side. He's got his hand on his waist again, and he is grumpy, right? He's totally grumpy. Right there, a little bump right there for the side of his hand. Curve right here. He's got his hand on the far side. We can draw like a line right here to kind of see the fold of his arm, because he is grumpy. Yeah. All right. Over here downward. Go over here on this side. Don't forget, by the way, you want to have fun, and you just want to have this stuff like be, how do you say, close enough. You don't have to be exact. Just close enough is all you need. That is all you need. Close enough. Line down. And line down. We got his like pencil, what's it called? Like these tubes for legs that he has. Curve down, flat, and we tie that back up. Curve over here, flat, we tie that back up. Line, 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 right there. we're going to go over here on this side, line out, boom, for his tail. Also looks like a tube, but then we're going to have a little bit of some bumps at the end. Right on. Gonna go over here now. Now we're gonna do the now we have like him as is, right? We're gonna put the kind of patterns that he has. Don't forget, by the way, check out all the cool stuff in the description. There's a lot of free stuff in there. Go take a look. If you like drawing, there's a lot of great stuff in there. But right now I want to go into this drawing here, and we're gonna go right here. We're gonna curve down. All right, and line over there on the edge. So he has this colored patch right there. Around his mouth is going to be probably the biggest one right here. So we're going to go pull down just a bit. We're going to try to make it thin. Curve around there. But he needs 2 lines right there. Boom. You know, that might be a little bit tough. Just kind of get it as close as you can. That's all you need. We have line right here. Different color of his paw. Line over here. Line across. Line across. Like so. Over here, line across the tail. Let's go over here to the stomach area. And we're going to go curve across. Right there. And we're going to go down. Man, he is upset. He is really upset. All right. Inside the ear now. And we're going to go right here. We're going to pull it up. And also slide that at an angle, right? Like right there. Up over here. Slide that at an angle. Right on. Good, good. And now we kind of look at just any repairs. Maybe some lines, some funky lines. But we're pretty much done. There is one more patch on his back. I guess you can kind of draw like that. It might be peeking around the corner there, but otherwise, you're pretty much finished and you're accomplished. That's pretty much the whole thing. What I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you can. It really helps the channel out. It's nice. And what I want you to do also is to stick around because we're actually going to go through another drawing video. And that's kind of what we're here for, right? To learn to draw, just going to have fun, just chill, very mellow. And so let's go through it, okay? We're going to go into another video lesson in a minute here. I'm just going to fix this line right there. Okay, cool. But okay, I want you to stay right there. Let's get started into the next lesson, all right? Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.